Siddharth Malhotra is going through one of the most difficult phases of his life as he mourns the loss of his father, Sunil Malhotra, who passed away peacefully in his sleep on February 14th in New Delhi after a prolonged illness. A former Merchant Navy captain, Sunil Malhotra was known to be a disciplined, dignified, and deeply principled man, qualities that clearly reflected in Siddharth's own personality over the years. The actor immediately rushed from Mumbai to Delhi along with his wife, Kiara Advani, to be with his family. The couple completed the last rites in the capital and have stayed back to support his mother, Rimjhim Malhotra, during this heartbreaking time. Those close to the family say this is an immense personal loss for Siddharth, who was extremely close to his father and often called him his first hero. Taking to Instagram, Siddharth shared a deeply emotional tribute that left fans teary-eyed. He wrote that his father was a man of rare honesty, integrity, and culture, describing him as someone who believed in discipline without harshness and strength without ego. In one of the most touching lines, he added, "Papa, your integrity is my inheritance." The words weren't just a farewell, they were a reflection of the values his father instilled in him from a young age. Siddharth has always maintained a grounded image despite the glamour and pressures of Bollywood. From his debut in Student of the Year to powerful performances in Shershah and Ek Villain, he has carried himself with calm composure. Insiders say that stability came largely from his upbringing. His father's Merchant Navy background meant structure, responsibility, and resilience were part of daily life, and those lessons stayed with Siddharth even after he became a star. Since the news broke, fans and members of the film fraternity have flooded social media with condolences and prayers. Many have spoken about how the strength and discipline seen in Siddharth's journey must have roots in the man who raised him. However, the actor and Kiara have requested privacy as they navigate this loss, keeping away from public appearances and promotional events. At a time when celebrities are often seen only through their on-screen personas, moments like these remind everyone that beyond the fame and spotlight, there is a son grieving his father. For Siddharth Malhotra, this isn't about box office numbers or upcoming projects. It's about saying goodbye to the man who shaped his values, his character, and his life. Bollywood stands in quiet solidarity, but for now, it's simply a family holding each other through an irreplaceable loss.